big firework. And guys, this is the biggest firework show that's ever been around. So we're going and I'm so excited. We got Bentley, we got Christian with us. It's their first time going to a show that's humongous. So we're gonna be getting their reactions. It's also Austin's birthday. I made him a cheesecake, I made him breakfast. He says he liked it, but something tells me he just did not. Was it good?
What? Which part?
Oh,
yeah.
I made a keto cheesecake.
I'm not a birthday guy.
He's really not a birthday guy. So, yeah. But he turned 24, and I think that's why, because we're getting old. I don't even want to celebrate my birthday this year.
The best part about getting old is to get older first.
Are you excited?
Yeah.
Yeah? You have no idea what's going on. He's like, I'm excited. Yeah, and so I'm gonna start screaming. That cup was all the way over there. Christian, it was bothering Christian so bad he got it and picked it up and put it right there.
You are my fire, only true desire. Swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me. I don't usually go out this late at night, to the place where the animals go. But baby, I'm here and I'm watching you move. There's just one thing you should know. You are my fire, only true desire. Swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me. You should get to know me, kick it with the harmonies. Let go of your worries, you should dance with me. Dance with me, dance with me, dance with me. You should dance with me. Desire, swear I'm not a liar, you should dance with me. You should get to know me, kick it with the harmonies. Let go of your worries, you should dance with me. you desire. Swear I'm not a liar. You should dance with me. You should get to know me. Keep it with the harmonies. Let go of your worries. You should dance with me.
So we got out. We are burning up. Guys, you don't realize how much of a mile is that? It's like 1.5 miles. We're walking with 2 kids. There and back. Crazy. It was a good show. What do you think?
It was good.
It was a good show. I'm just excited for tomorrow. Did you have a good birthday? He's wanting to play his game all night. These kids are going everywhere. Like, guys, you don't realize how crazy. Look how packed. Look how packed. It is so packed.
It's a big bitch and a half just to go.
I know. Look at all that.
I might get it.
It's packed. Yeah. And there were so many concession stands, but I'm proud of us because we didn't go to them. I'm proud of us. I'm especially proud. He just wants his power in.
What?
Refreshing?
Yep.
Is mom following us?
I think so.
Bentley, we did not get a chance to record Bentley's reaction because he freaked out. Like, as soon as it went, boom, he freaked out. Freaked out, you guys. You don't understand how bad. So Austin had to walk. What'd you have to do with him?
Walk around.
That's it?
Yep.
Him walk around, or you walk around with him?
You walk around with him.
Did he want to walk at all? No.
Just freaked out.
And now we get to go see our little baby.
We'll grab him and go home. It's almost 10:30.
I know, it's almost 11. Almost 10:30. Austin, it's 10:33.
I need to get this traffic moving.
So we're gonna go pick up Aiden. I'm so excited. Alright guys, as you can see, we are home. And Lord Jesus, we are tired. And it's literally the middle of the night and we are exhausted. But I'm gonna go ahead and end the vlog. Austin's playing video games and enjoying himself right now. And I had to take Aiden's car seat apart because he pooped finally today, but it was all over the place. So it was crazy. But all the kids are in bed and it's just crazy. And yeah. I don't know what else to say because I'm so tired. But if you guys enjoyed this video, make sure to give this video a big thumbs up and hit subscribe, and we will see you guys later. Bye guys. Whoa, how did we get down at the end screen?
For the 100th time, I am magical.
With that being said, guys, we have videos over here, so definitely go check them out. We hope you guys enjoyed today's video. Make sure to subscribe to our channel that will be right here. Right here.